focus. In a major relief for HIV-positive individuals, the Delhi High Court has ruled that people living with HIV cannot be denied appointments or promotions in the Central Armed Forces, emphasizing the need for reasonable accommodation to uphold constitutional equality provisions. A bench comprising Justices Naveen Chawla and Shailinder Kaur, while deciding on 3 petitions, stated that denying career advancement solely based on HIV status amounts to discrimination. The court further asserted that the armed forces have a legal duty to provide necessary accommodations for such individuals. 2 of the petitions were filed by constables from the Border Security Force and the Central Reserve Police Force, who had been declared unfit for promotion due to their HIV status. The BSF constable was first denied promotion to assistant sub-inspector in 2022, a decision reaffirmed in 2023, citing his inability to serve in remote locations lacking antiretroviral therapy facilities. My colleague Dipankar is now joining us with more details on this. Dipankar, काफी बड़ी राहत मिली है आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के जवानों को दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के इस फैसले के बाद.
Well, yes, this is a big relief that has been granted by the Delhi High Court after it has ruled that the individuals living with the HIV cannot be denied appointments or promotion as the authorities are legally bound to provide reasonable accommodation in the employment. It has directed that the Central Armed Police Force Services, that is the CAPF, to review the cases of the 3 affected personnel. So yes, it is a big relief for the personnel as well as the people who are living in with HIV. The court has stated that the employers must prove administrative or financial hardship to deny reasonable accommodation, and stated that denying promotion due to not meeting the Shape 1 medical category contradicts the HIV Act's protections that have been granted to these individuals. The court has also granted a relief in the form that if reassessments find that the petitioners who had filed this petition before the Delhi High Court, if they are found to be fit, then they will be granted notional seniority and related benefits on the date of denial, excluding the salary differences between the 2 posts. The court has clearly granted a huge relief for the petitioners as well as the people who are suffering from HIV, and have said that these they have to be they cannot be denied appointments just because of HIV, and they should be provided reasonable accommodation in the employment. Over to you.